This is day 4 of our challenge, 0 to payout in 7 days. In our first 2 days, we were able to get our eval passed, and we actually got our funded account on Friday. Now, I haven't created a video on Friday. I'm going to cover that in this video, and I'm going to talk through some of the emotional pieces that really took me, but I was able to come back just from experiences of blowing 500 plus prop firms over the past 2 years. And I'm going to talk through that in this video. Today, we were able to actually be up a little bit as well. Let's just kind of dive into the numbers here. You'll see that I'm up $1,000 and $1,077 on the 2 days, and I'm just trying to be consistent, right? If we build that consistency each day, we're not trying to gamble, we're not trying to get rich in one day, we're just trying to be consistent, and that is going to keep our mental mindset and our mental mind frame in the right place. So we're not actually just jumping in trades when we don't need to. We are showing patience, we're showing discipline and the determination needed to be successful at this. So that's the numbers for today. I'm gonna scroll down here just to kind of show you a little bit more. You can see we're being consistent each day, and these are the numbers on the day. So let's go ahead and just dive over to the charts, and I'll show you what I saw on Friday and then what I looked at on today, the 25th. So switching over to the charts here, on Friday, I actually took an after hours trade on Thursday night, which took me down $1,900. Now, that was a big blow, but this is, again, if you watch my video on understanding the mental mindset and the mental mind frame that's needed to be successful at this, I was able to come into the day Friday prepared to slowly build my account back. I took one MNQ at a time. I've been doing this for a while, so I just took little setups that I saw made sense, and I'm going to talk through some of that here. So if we look at this from a 5-minute perspective, just looking at Friday, this is Friday, I wanted to really take setups that made sense and had a high probability of playing out. So what I would do is, this is one of them right here. So I looked at this channel, and I talk about this a lot, right? This VWAP, which is the white line, is a area of, it's like a magnet, right? It's the area where the price action wants to go down and it wants to come up to all the time. So I knew once we started to break down out of this channel here, I thought we had a really good chance to try to come back up to the VWAP, but then I wanted to see what we were going to do at the VWAP. You can see we broke above here. We created a higher high on the 5-minute. Then we created support right here on the 5-minute 9, which was a really good play to take to the upside. So I actually did take this to the upside, and I was looking to take it to the basically top of the candles bodies up here. So this was taking me about 960. So this was one of our trades on the day to really help us get back to where we needed to get. And then what I was looking for was another setup later. I was not looking to just itch to get in at that moment. I wanted to take my time and really understand, where do I take a trade? Where do I get in? So if we look at this for the rest of this day, you can see that we kind of made our way down again here. And again, being patient, allowing these setups to happen is the key. So here's another channel that we had. And much like the first one, you can see that we start to use this 9 as support, right? We get above that area that was resistance, we break above it, and one of the things you need to notice here, if you're looking at potentially taking a long here, is, where is my confluence? What can I use? And this right here, this wick is major. That is telling me that there's strength. We tried to push back down, but there wasn't enough weakness to get us down that we actually pushed up. This is another play that I looked at and I took. And for this one, again, I was taking it to the top of the bodies. You can see we got higher. I'm not worried about that. We're taking our plays, we're getting out on these setups, and we're moving on, right? I'm not allowing motion to say I coulda, woulda, shoulda made more. That mindset will lead to negative trading, because then I'm going to want to force trades on the day. Don't want to do that. So today, which is Monday, Memorial Day, you can see that we had these areas of support and resistance below and above us. So we did it. We actually got the bigger move to the upside to get around 30,000 on NQ today. I had a feeling that we might want to try to just bounce within this area. That's what we did. The only setups I really took were really just one that I saw, and that was this morning. We were able to get to the top of this resistance area, and we were able to kind of break back down out of that. Now, what I saw on this, if I kind of zoom down here, is a head and shoulders. So let me go ahead and remove this, and I'll show you. So looking at this, You can see we move up, we create a shoulder, a head, and this is where we kind of create the other side of this head and shoulders to then move back down. Now your completion would be to here, which we did get, and we just came back down, and you can see the rest of the day we just kind of chopped in this area, right? Market's over, but these are the trades that I took today. If you have questions on these things, join our Discord, talk through these things more in detail to help understand what is going on in the day. Hope to see you tomorrow on day 5 of our challenge.